Are YouTube ads driving you crazy? You click on a video, boom, ad. You skip it, then another ad. In this video, I will show you how to watch YouTube videos without ads. For free. No subscription, no hacks, no complicated setup. And yes, this works in 2026. Let's start it. First, open a new tab in your browser. Now type Chrome Web Store and open it. Once you are on the Chrome Web Store, click on the search bar and type Adguard. Open the first result you see. Now click on Add to Chrome and then Add extension. That's it. Your job is done. The extension is now installed. Now here comes the magic. Go back to your YouTube and refresh the page. And just like that, all the ads are gone. No pre-roll ads, no mid-roll ads. Just clean, smooth, uninterrupted YouTube videos. And that's it, guys. This is how you can block YouTube ads for free in just a few clicks. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick tech tips, and comment below if it worked for you. Thanks for watching and enjoy ad-free YouTube.